to learn one of the trickier basic steps in house, the train. So the train, kind of like the swirl, makes use of that double tap motion. Train looks like this. So I'm hopping while I'm doing that double tap. That coordination can be really tricky to get. So a lot of times when people start this step, they'll do more of a stepping version where it feels like it's stepping forward and back. It's like a toe-toe. This is how you can practice the rhythm. Almost feels like you're doing the swirl just without that cross motion. Just forward, back, 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 forward, back. When you want to do the actual train, the real train, you want to practice switching your legs. So it feels like you're jumping a little bit upwards, and then you land a little bit down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's essentially the train without adding the double tap. So to practice getting the coordination of this with the jump, this is an exercise I like to do. I tap 8 times with my right leg, or my right foot, and when I tap, I feel like I'm actually lifting my knee up. I'm not just doing this. I'm lifting my knee and driving my toe down. So after I do 8 times, I'm gonna switch legs and then go to my left. So this is what I mean. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. So when I switch, think of the left side. That's the first tap on the left side when I switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna try to switch again. This time I'm gonna do 4 times with the right, 4 times with the left, 2 times with the right, 2 times with the left. When we get to that 2, that's the actual train. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna switch and do 4 times with my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so once you can get to that 1, 2 timing, switch 2, switch 2, switch 2. Remember to lift. Switch, lift, down, switch, lift, down, switch, lift, down, switch, lift, down. That lift is gonna help get that coordination to tap like that. Now let's try it again. We'll go from 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, 2. And we'll try a little faster this time. So a little 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Quicker tap. Still try to lift your knee up even though it's fast. Right? I'll do it sideways so you can see the profile. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you do that exercise a lot, it might not get that smooth right away, but eventually you'll trick your body into doing the train. You just have to do it a lot. Let's try one more time. We'll do it facing front. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. As you're doing this step, you can swing your arms almost like if you were running in place. When you get good at this step, you can start to travel a little bit with it. But make sure that you're still switching your legs. You still want to have this happen, even if you're moving forward or back or to the side. And then you add that double tap. Train. Let's try it with music.
clean, so fresh,